UFC for AEG. You got a thick one on the bottom, I think.
Are these all different prices in here? Or are they all same price?
I don't even know what
Jemiah.
go in here.
Chandler.
The football? Do you have any idea?
I'm sure they're all different prices.
Okay.
McGregor. Ngannou. Gilbert Burns Spectra. Adesanya Spectra.
Sorry. We were moving things around and I'm trying to
Jemiah.
There you go. Thank you all. Have you been in before?
We have.
Okay, very good. Well, thanks for
McGregor
coming out.
crown. Cyril Gain on the optic. Chandler Flux.
Oh. Hey.
Stripe out of 99.
Does it have a little plastic hammer?
John Jones. John Jones. Oh, nice. There you go.
I will hang on.
1 of 10. John Jones Gold.
Yeah, we can or save it for or save it for what? Oh no.
So, is this not a Sonya get you the camera type card? Nice AEG. Dan Idge, I'm sorry. Or maybe not. John Jones. Jones. Jimmy Crute. Kelvin Gastelum. Michael Chandler and Masvidal. Good luck, last pack. McGregor. Conor McGregor out of 149. Khabib. Henry Cejudo, Tools of the Trade, 7 of 49. Nice card there. Finally a Tools of the Trade. Fighter worn used material. Jerry Prozer and Michael Chandler out of 149. AEG, 4 left if you'd like any more.